friends, welcome to Simple Learning. Today in Simple Science Experiment, we will do an experiment where the cup will hold water even when it is turned upside down. It is just covered with a cardboard. Will it work? Let us find out. For this experiment, I have a glass of water and a piece of cardboard. Let me add a little more water. Now I will cover the glass with the cardboard and turn the glass upside down. Now let us understand what is happening here. Air pressure outside the cup was holding the cardboard and it stayed on the glass and water did not spill out. There is an airtight seal created between the cup and the card. Let us wait for how long it takes the water to spill over. This is taking long. That's a very tight seal. Looks like the air is really tight. Oh my, it fell down. That was a fun experiment. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you are trying this experiment at home, make sure you have adult supervision. See you again with some more interesting science. Bye.
You didn't